We have 3 hours to paint, and whoever finishes more paintings, fastest painting wins.
Buys dinner. Buys
Okay.
lunch.
Okay, Dad, so we're here. We're not too far from home. We found a place that we could park. We've got some shade, and we're looking at that house over there. Dad, do you see anything? Like, what's your goal for today? What are you thinking about?
I'm getting to work. That's what.
And getting to work, yeah. I mean, we didn't want to drive around too long and like always be looking for the perfect thing. So we saw the light hitting that house over there. I think it's going to be kind of a nice scene.
I see a scene here. I see a scene there. I see a scene there.
I only see one scene. I see that one, and I'm going to change it.
I see some scenes right here, but that architectural work takes a lot of time, a lot of work.
I'm just going to make up my own house over here and make up a different tree, but I'm going to take the idea of a house and a tree, I think. Can you loan me some water? I mean, you brought water, right?
Right here.
Rookie mistake. I think it's his first. Have you gone out painting before?
No, never.
Rookie mistake, man. Is there any way that we can make this a competition? Fastest painting wins.
No, the more.
Whoever gets done first.
I can paint more paintings than you can in 3 hours.
We have 3 hours to paint, and whoever finishes more paintings
buys dinner. Buys lunch.
Okay. Whoever finishes more buys lunch. Then I'm going to take my time because.
Yeah, you don't have much of it.
All right, so we finished up here. Dad is ahead. He's got 2 paintings done. I mean, I swear I looked over. I was just barely starting mine, and he was already taking his first one off, and then he got another one done. So we're gonna go ahead to a different location and see what we can find. Dad, do you want to go to LeConner?
Wherever you want to go.
He just leaves it up to me, so I get to choose. I'm gonna try to choose something that I can paint really easily, but that's gonna be really hard for him. I don't know if there is such a subject, though. Unfortunately.
I've been on this road before. I know exactly where we are.
Exactly. We're going to take a right here.
I know we are. Painted out here? Have you ever had a class out here with students?
Well, sometimes I teach class from the bridge.
Do you
but
really?
Only if we have enough bungee cords. Second location, we are here going to paint across the little alley here and paint this farm. I think it's beautiful. Only thing that's going to be a little bit more challenging this time is that we're in the direct sunlight. So we'll see. Dad's got some sunblock and I'm not putting it on yet because, hey, I want to get that tan in. Dad, you got any thoughts on this?
No, not right now. I'm just finding my block.
He's lost his marbles and he's looking for his marbles. We'll see how this goes. We're just getting started. Yeah, nothing to show yet.
My wife is a painter.
Oh, are you really? Oh, cool. What are you painting? What medium?
Watercolors.
Oh, do you really? He's doing watercolors right now. Yeah. I'm working in acrylics, but yeah.
Well, I did that for a while too, for fun, you know.
Oh, really?
It's really fun.
I'm Jed. What's your name?
Linda.
Linda?
Yeah.
And Bob.
Bob, nice to meet you. This is my dad, Jack.
Hi, Jack.
And Bob
Well,
and
keep
Linda.
up your artistic ability.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, Dad was the president of the Northwest Watercolor Society for a long time.
No
and
kidding.
yeah. Oh, thank you.
See what happens when we get back.
Okay, yeah. Hopefully we'll still be here.
If I do that, I'll probably go to sleep.
That's why I'm thinking that it would be a good idea. Well, yeah, there's a few safety things that I want to teach Dad on the way home,
You pay for
just to
any
make sure.
damage to this car.
Now, so what you want to do when you're backing up, Dad, this is very important, is you look over your shoulder both ways and then slowly just ease out of this. You're going to ease out. And now this car has a little temperamental transmission, sometimes if you try to go too fast early on, I noticed that you did that. You were a little bit rough with it, a little bit too aggressive, and sometimes when you do that, it will slip a little bit. This is a grandpa car. This is a car that doesn't have too much get up and go because it's just a easy car.
That's because you have a light foot.
An important thing about painting that is that you don't want to.
Hey, just a minute. Should I record this?
Well, what you want to do is yes, you should, because you will want to look back at this. This is going to be
just
very
hold
helpful
on.
for you in the future. And that's how you drive.